Some people, because they are new to YouTube, they will end up uploading their videos using the YouTube mobile app, and that is the biggest mistake new creators make. If you know that you have been uploading your videos using this button, I mean using this plus sign, the YouTube mobile app, this is the reason to why you are not getting views. If you upload your videos using the YouTube mobile app, YouTube will not push your content because you upload your videos using the YouTube mobile app. You are not activating some features, you are not turning on some features, and that is the reason why you are not getting views. In this video, I am going to show you how to upload your videos the right way and make YouTube push your videos and help YouTube to also recommend your videos. So if this is the kind of video you want to see today on my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that each time I publish you will get notification. Now let me give you a bonus tips like this. Stop focusing on your new subscribers, but make sure that you focus on the current subscribers you have on your channel. I mean the current subscriber who subscribe to your channel, and always make sure to serve them with a full expectation video, like to serve them with what they sign up for on your channel. So in that way YouTube will recommend your videos and you start getting that word, that views and subscribers. Always make sure that you are not obese with the subscribers, like you getting new subscriber, but rather be obese in your content that your already subscribed members would love to watch. Now let me show you this.
So guys, this is one of my video analytics, like the result of one of my video I posted on the 1st of May this year, this month. So, and it happens that YouTube has started recommending this particular video. As at this time I'm making this screen record, this video is at 318 views. The average view duration is 1 minute 44 seconds. Okay, and the impression click-through rate is something amazing. Now when you look at it, you can see that all the arrows are going up and it's ranking by views 1 of 10. So that is why I told you that while making your videos, you should make your video that your subscribers are always enjoying, the videos that they've signed up on your channel. Like serve them with what they have already signed up on your channel. That is why they subscribe to your channel. So now when you click on this video, let's just check the overview of this particular video. You can see that how viewers find this my video was through the words YouTube recommendations, YouTube other features and all of that. And now when you look at my audience retention, the intro is saying that 50% of viewers are still watching at around the 30 seconds mark, which is above what typical. Okay, so that means you should be making your intro to be very eye-catching in the way that your viewers will be watching them. Then the top moment, they said nice work, this part of the video kept your viewers always watching for as long as usual. Okay, so that is, this video has given me a watch hour of 9.2 watch hours and 5 subscribers. Now when you click on this video impression, you will see that they said well done, people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more often than usual. So that is why you need to make a video that your subscriber would love to see.
So you have seen the proof of analytics of one of my video that YouTube started recommending. Like YouTube told me that my video is a great job, that they said that great news, people on YouTube are choosing to watch my video. So that is why I told you that you should be obsessed with the content you make for your subscribers. I mean the people that have already subscribed to your channel. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you how you are going to upload your YouTube videos. Let's go into our main screen. Let me show you how you are going to upload your videos. Just click on your Chrome app. Once you click on your Chrome icon, then it will take you to Google. Then you are going to type studio.com
studio.youtube.com is already here because I always use it. You tap on studio.youtube.com, it will take you to this particular place. Now if you see this particular place, you are going to click on login. You tap on login, it will take you to your studio. Now this is the interface of my YouTube studio. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on create. Once you click on create, click on upload videos, then it will bring you to this particular section where you are going to select your files. You click on this arrow button, it will take you to your, click on media, it will now take you to your phone gallery where you now pick the video you want to upload. Let's just say I want to upload this video. I will upload it. It will now bring me to where I will optimize my videos. Let now bring you to where you will optimize your video. Okay, now as you can see, our video is uploading at 0%. With time it will start reading. So far okay, is at 1% now. So the first feature you are going to turn on is your playlist. Yes, playlist is very important because when your viewers are coming on YouTube for the first time, once they click on any of your playlists, they have the chances of watching other of your videos in your playlist, and this playlist help you to know the kind of videos you want to upload on your channel. Like they want to know the kind of video, the category of video you want to upload on your channel. Using the playlist, put it into different category. If it is 1000 subscriber, 4000 watch hour, is left for you to create a playlist. Okay, now the next setting you are going to do is to make sure that this your video is not made for kids, of which I know that your videos are not made for kids, because once you turn any, if you turn it, if your video is made for kids, you click on yes, my video is made for kids. But if it's not made for kids, you click on, you turn it off, click on no, it is not made for kids. Okay, now the next setting you are going to do to upload your videos and have this access to other features is to click on show more. Yes, once you click on show more, you will see another setting. Now the next setting you are going to look here is altered content. If you are making a video with AI, you need to click on yes, but if your content is not meant for AI, you click on no. Okay, so and that will help the YouTube to categorize your video based on the content type you made. For example, now if you are making your content with AI, YouTube is going to recommend your video next to other YouTube video that made their video with AI. Then if you are not making your video with AI generation, YouTube will push your content and recommend your content to people that doesn't make their video with AI. Okay, so it depends on what your content is all about, if you are using AI or not. Now the next setting we are going to head over is the this publish to subscription feed and notify your subscriber. Now always make sure that this your publish to subscription feed is turned on. Yes, because if it's turned off, your subscriber are not going to get your video. Like I said, like I told you earlier, that you should focus on your subscribers. Don't focus on the new audience that are coming to your channel. Focus on the people that have subscribed to your channel, so that you'll be serving them with the content they sign up for. Okay, so for you to make them to get notice of your new upload, you need to turn this setting on, so that each time you publish video, they will get notification that you have uploaded a new video. Okay, and it will help them to be watching more of your video, and at the same time YouTube is going to be showing it to more people. Once YouTube have noticed that your subscribers are engaging on your content. Okay, so that is it. Now the next one you are going to do is to come over to the next element, which is this element, video element, and have this access. You see why I told you that if you are using the YouTube mobile app, you might not have access to this one, end screen and cast. So that is why if you want to link other of your video, use end screen. you use the card. So make sure that you are accessing to all these features here, this end screen and this card. Okay, so in that way YouTube is going to push other of your dead video and the new video you have uploaded. This is the chances of you connecting other of your video to your audience, even both new viewers and old viewers. This is how you are going to upload your videos so that YouTube can start recommending your video. And when it comes to your visibility, always make sure that your video upload is under unlisted or private. Don't hit public immediately unless that video will be buried. So this is how you are going to upload your video and start getting YouTube to recommend your video. Okay,
now that you have know how to properly upload your videos using the desktop version, you have already eliminated one of the biggest reasons your views were dying. But that is just one part of the game. In my next video, I'm going to show you a YouTube setting, like 10 YouTube settings that you need to turn on so that you start getting views. So if you are serious about growing your YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because you don't want to mix what is coming next. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.